So welcome back. On this video I'm going to show you how to design a professional business card, and there are different type of business card of which you need to determine the type of design that you want to go with, and you can always come to custom size and put the width and the height of your design and you proceed to create a new one, or you can explore the already made template within Canva by searching for a business card in this search bar here. And also you can go by creating a unique business card from scratch. And also you need to determine the kind of card that you want to create, if it is for your personal use or for your business. In this video I'm going to create a personal card that will serve as form of an ID card for me. All right, so let's go by creating a blank page, and the size of the business card that we're going to create is by default 8.5 by 5 cm. As you can see here, 8.5 by 5 cm. Look at the size here. So if you want to go by a custom size, like I said before, you can come here, put the width and the height of the card that you want to create. So let's click on create blank. Don't mind the big size as it appear here. Remember the size is 8.5 by 5 centimeter. So the next thing I want to do now is to add some designs on my blank page. So let me go by elements, and first of all I'm gonna add a frame. So I like to put my picture on the business card. So I click on the frame, bring it to this section. I need to put some shapes on my design before I change the background to what I want it to be. All right, so I click on shapes here. I'm gonna fast forward some process in this video just to lessen the time aspect. After I'm done with the design, I'm gonna take you on the process it took me to arrive on the design in my mind. Alright, so this is the kind of design that I want to have in my personal business card. Let me add some text to my design. So guys, here is the simple design I want to have on my business card. So let me take you on the process. It's quite so simple on how I change the headlines, the subheading and the text body into this content you are seeing here. All right, so you can just click on the headline, change the text, and come to the font up here. Select any font of your choice. All right, select any font of your choice, then put the size of the font. You can increase it or you can decrease it, all right, depending on how you want it to be. Then if you want to have a special color on each of your text, so come to text color here, then select any color of your choice. The same thing applies to this, the same thing applies to this. So I use different fonts and different colors for just to make it more creative. All right, then if you want to have some effect, come to effects here, up here, then select any effect of your choice. Let's say I want to have some yellowish kind of effect on my, so I can just go ahead and apply it. And but if that is not what I want, I can remove it. Then after that, I duplicate some content and change the font to any font of my choice. Then I add the icons that you are seeing here. Just come to element, search for, maybe this is a call icon. Click on search for a call icon, go to the graphics section, choose any color icon here, then put it on the center. The same thing with this envelope for email, the same thing with this icon for location, and the same thing with this icon for website. So at the end of the day, you click on each of them, come to color up here. If you want to change the color, you can do the same thing. All right, that is how it works. So this is the front page of my ID card. Then if I want to have the back side of it, it's quite simple. What I need to do is just to click on duplicate page. All right, so if I click on duplicate page here, look at the another page, then I need to change the write up on the back side here. Maybe I'm not gonna have this again. I delete it. I'm not gonna have this again, or maybe let me go back. So I might need this. All right, then change the text at the end of the day, then delete this. I think this stuff here I might still go ahead and delete them. So select all of them and delete it. Then this stuff here I might say, okay, I might just go ahead and use a QR code on the back side of my ID card, whereby if anybody want to scan to visit my website, I think it's going to be creative. So I come to apps here, then on this apps I look for QR code scanner. Okay, this QR code, then okay, click on open. So I will put a website link whereby if anybody scan it, it will automatically direct them to the URL. All right, so I'm going to put my website link. I can use michaelebay.com, or I can use michaelebay.net. I have two websites. So if I want to customize the design, you can change the background, change the foreground color of your QR code. So after that, after you put your URL, even if it is your WhatsApp link that you want to direct people after scanning the QR code, so you can just go ahead and put the URL here. So you click on generate code and it will automatically generate. So this is the code right now, right? If anybody scan this code, it will take them to this my website. All right, so that is how it works, and it's so fantastic. So maybe if it's too much, I can reduce it like this, and now I can say scan me. Then I can still put my website link. If someone doesn't have access to scanning at the moment, the person can easily go ahead and use my website. So I can just quickly copy this stuff here and come to this place and paste it. All right, I'm good to go. So maybe I change the text to white. So it's the same thing. Is this code is representing this website. All right, what else do I need to add? Maybe I need to change this picture here. So I detach image, remove it from the image frame, delete this. I can go to element and search for technology, just a random image anyway. So I can go by photos, then make some selection of my kind of image I need. If I don't have an image already from my system, so I can just quickly search for an image in the elements section. Then I can drag this stuff and put it inside the photo frame. All right, so maybe this one, I can change it to this. So whatever thing that you want to include in your design, so just go ahead and unleash your creativity. Then here I can still duplicate this stuff. Maybe if I have another website link, which I do, michaelebay.net, so I can still put my two websites in this section. All right, and I think I'm good to go. This is just a simple personal ID card, right? And so that is how to create your own business card or personal ID card using Canva, you know. And you can as well come to designs elements up here. You can just make some selection if you want to go by already made template, but To me, I normally like going by a customized design, whereby I can design it myself, or it doesn't really matter anyway. Or you can still go by selecting some already made templates. So click on add page, select any one of your choice, and just go ahead and customize it, change the content. So I think this one, if you want to go for something like this, just click on the image, change it, change the name, change the subheading, change the contact details. If you don't like the background, you can right click detach background image, then change the background to any color. If you want to go by normal color, or you can go by gradient, or you can just go ahead and use another image entirely to represent the background, right? So, and at the end of the day, you come to file here, then go to download section, and so let me increase it on the PNG section. If you are printing it, you can go for either PDF print or PDF standard. So but for this digital use, I'm going to use PNG. Then how many page do I want to download? I'll just need only the 2-page, number 1 and number 2, which is my main design. So this last page I added, I'm not going to download it, so I click on done and download my content. So that is how to create a professional looking business card or ID card using Canva, and you are good to go. So thank you very much for sticking to this video section, and I'll see you next time.